Want to vote in this election but aren't registered in North Carolina? Phoenix 14's Kim Jackson has more on how to have your voice heard if you're an absentee.
Election day is coming up, and for most Elon students, that means submitting an absentee ballot.
I'm registered to vote in New Jersey.
Westboro, Massachusetts. North Carolina.
I'm from Maryland.
Websites like longdistancevoter.org give important information for students who are absentee voting. The site features an interactive map of the United States. Simply click on the state that you are registered in to view upcoming deadlines. 3/4 of Elon students are from out of state. Here are some steps to register as an absentee voter. First, make sure that you are registered to vote. Any out-of-state student can submit an absentee ballot. Next, download and complete the absentee ballot application for your home state from longdistancevoter.org. States differ on the application deadline. For instance, Maryland applications must be received by 4:30 p.m. on the Tuesday before Election Day. Once you get your ballot, sign and complete it. For Maryland voters, the ballot must be postmarked on or before Election Day.
I'm from North Carolina.
Students that are registered in North Carolina are still able to absentee vote. Log on to www.longdistancevoter.org to find out more details. Kim Jackson, Phoenix 14 News Tonight.